Good morning, everyone. I hope you all are fine. So, we'll start with class 7th, subject geography. We'll start with chapter 3rd, that is Earth movement and major landform. So, in our previous video, we discussed about the lithospheric or tectonic plate. Then we discussed about the Earth's movement that shaped the Earth. Then we discussed about the two forces, that is endogenic force and exogenic force. Okay. Then we discussed about the foldings. So in today's video we talks about the types of fold mountains. So fold mountains can be categorized into two, old fold and young fold. So first we talk about the old fold mountain. The old fold mountains were formed millions of years due to the horizontal plate movement. They have rounded peak and gradual slope. Their height is lower than the young fold mountain. There is a few example of old fold mountains are the Appalachians in the USA, the Ural in Eurasia, and the Aravalli in India. So next we have the young fold mountain. Young fold mountain are still undergoing plate movement which raising them higher. These mountains are very and sharp pointed peak, steep mountainside, deep valleys and parallel ranges. Some example of young fold mountain are the Himalayas, Andes, Rockies and Alpes. Look at this diagram of folding and formation of mountain. And the next topic we have faulting. First we understand about faulting. When two tectonic plates move away from each other, the lithosphere is under great stress and strain. This result is the formation of weak zone and crack. So faulting is the formation of a crack or breaking along a weak zone in the earth crust. A fracture in the earth crust where a part of the crust has got displaced. It is known as fault line. Fault line usually occur when two tectonic plates meet. So the faulting causes formation of block mountains and rift valleys. Look at this picture, this diagram. Faulting and formation of rift valley and block mountain. When a part of the earth crust between two cracks fault or sink down, a valley is formed. Such a shrunken valley is a rift valley or graben. The uplifted part of the earth crust on the either side of the valley is known as horst or block mountain. A fault scrap in a small step-like elevation on the ground surface where one side of a fault has moved vertically with respect to the other. Example of block mountains are the Vindhyans and the Satpura ranges. The Narmada and Tapi river valleys are graben. Or rift valley. Another example of block mountain is Vosges range in northeastern France. The Death Valley in the USA is an also example of rift valley. So the next topic we have some other effect of tectonic plate movement. Places on the lithosphere and ocean floors are slowly raised on the continent and ocean basin. Wide rift may be created on the earth's surface like the San Andreas Fault in California, USA. And last one is when two plates converge, one plate is pushed under the other and the subduction zone forming a deep sea trench like the Mariana Trench in the Pacific Ocean. Okay, so in this video we discussed about the young fold mountain, old fold mountain and faulting. Okay, there's a questions regarding your home assignment. Define faulting, young fold mountain and Old Fold Mountain. Thank you.